Hi there. Let's talk about real estate. I'm pretty sure you've ever heard about the idea of flipping houses. In essence, people looking at low value houses out there, adding value to them and then selling them off in the market at a profit. That is essentially what house flipping is. But what do you need to know for you to be able to flip houses appropriately? I'm just going to take 3 minutes to share all this with you. You are all much welcome to this channel. My name is Afagza Sifunam. And by the way, if you know, remember to subscribe for you to be getting such awesome videos regularly. Tip number 1, you need money for you to be able to make money. Let not lie to you out there, for example, can just wake up, broke as fuck, go out there, start flipping houses. No, it never works like that. You need money for you to be able to make money. Most of the flipping houses, you're gonna need some substantial amount of money for you to be able to even purchase the dilapidated houses out there and then look into flipping them for them to turn in a good profit, right? And then the second idea is that you need to know that actually it might take you some time for you to be able to turn in a sale or even to get a profit. Yes, just because you have renovated a house doesn't mean, for example, you're gonna be able to make a profit immediately. No, it might even take you months or even a few years for you to be able to sell a particular house. So you need to understand that actually it's not a get rich quick scheme, it's not an immediate sale scheme, but you need to put your effort in it, right? And then the third tip, you need to know that actually timing is very essential. You need to know the timing of the real estate property market out there. We're talking about there being that cyclic movement whereby the prices go high, go down, and so forth. Time the market appropriately so that you can be able to sell your property at a good value. If you time it wrongly, chances are you won't be able to lock sales, and even so, you could end up selling your house at a loss. This is all because you could have pumped a lot of money in it, and then the market prices could be dipping and dipping over time, in essence, forcing you to incur a loss, right? And then the fourth tip you need to know is that actually power of referral in this kind of business is very powerful. In essence, you could flip a house and sell it to an individual. This individual could refer to another person out there and so forth. The power of referral is very good, and in fact, it is one of the best and free marketing you could get through flipping houses out there. Guys, do a good job. You might even end up having repeat clients who are gonna keep coming back for more and more kind of houses from you and even referring you to other clients out there, right? And then the fifth tip is that look into expanding your income beyond just relying on flipping houses. Why not, for example, jump into rental income, right? Why not, for example, even assisting other people out there selling their houses? All these could be viable options for you to be able to flip your houses and also tap into additional incomes in the real estate space.